What a job.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Sugala ellarku? Good. How many people know me? Raise your hands. Some people, right? So rest people I am in new faces. Correct? So you don't know who I am. You don't know where I am from. Correct? Yes, some people know. Kerala, right? Okay. Before I talk to you, I just want to give a gratitude to some people, some power. First, I have to give a gratitude to God because, for giving this wonderful opportunity to prove myself into others. Second, as one and only, I'm directly work with our angel, my mentor, is VP Sachin Bhai. And the other, my backbone, is one and only Mithulaj Sanali Veedu Paramba. And the most powerful thanks goes to my haters, because of them I'm standing here, or else I'm anyone in the world actually, right? So I'm starting from myself. My name is Jinu. I'm all the way from UK. It's United Kerala. I am a Malayali. Right. So I'm born and brought up in such a poor family, as low class family. Low class family in the sense financially we are poor. Simple. We don't have money to survive actually. I have a father, I have a mother, I have a sister. Father have a small tea shop in the city, small city. That city called Palikara. So he used to work in the shop. Shop is in the sense it's a small shop. It's like a small tea shop. Like he can stand only. There is no space. Like Malayalathi Varna, it's like a tattagada, right? Small things are. So mom is housewife. She work and for me to feed me, to feed my sister and feed my father, and she help my father shop also. So I born with a lots of problems, financial problems. So it will strike me in the lower age. I smell my father work, my mother work to make money. The father opened the shop in early morning 3 o'clock till he work till night 11 o'clock. So when I wake up, I can't see him. I can talk with him. I can spend time with him because he hardly work to make money. So that time I'm focused on. I want to know why he work harder, why he's struggling so too much. So I get to know he working harder to me. And for that time, after my college, I want to go to MBA. Then I consult with my father. I want to study more. I'll study more. I'll get more salary. Then I can help you back. That thought process running in my mind. So I went college, but I don't have money. But my father arranged money from friends and some other societies. He took a liability, and I pushed to go to MBA. I studied, and I completed MBA. I attended an interview in a bigger company called Infopark. Why I go there? Because I travel, near with the place in front of that company, the bigger IT companies, like bigger class and all. So while I'm traveling, I saw so many people. So many employees wearing a coat, suit, and they have a sporty bike and a sporty car. I thought that if I get a job there, I can make more money. I can develop my life. I can help my father also, right? That's why I went there and submit my certificate there. I got placed in a reputed company in account position. I started working there 3 months as a pure training period, and I have only 5 days working period, Saturday off, Sunday off. That the interview time, they explained the working schedule, only 5 days. Saturday, Sunday you can celebrate. Then I start working 3 months. I celebrated. Why? Because just wake up in the morning, go sit in the front of the system, learn so many things, and come back and chit chat with the friends and play with the friends and lay down and tomorrow again. This is a process, 3 months training. I can feel what's the real faces of corporate. After 3 months, I'm starting some work. They will allocate more work and start. I'm producing more work, and they allocating like production and all, target and all. Because I'm used to working in accounts. I verify the accounts finally. If there is a in point zero difference, it will impact all the accounts. So I have to sit and correct all the accounts. Now after I leave night till night, I have to work there. No more pressure I have to face. So slowly. I used to work in a Saturday. I used to work in a Sunday. Weekly 7 days I have to work there. So slowly that job irritated me as well. But I can't quit the job. Why? Because that time I'll get 25,000 rupees as my salary. That is my life. So if I stick on there, if I work harder, that's a corporate, right? They will give up, increment and promotion and all, right? So I focus on more work. I focus on the work and develop there, and they give some increment like a peanuts. But that peanuts will a bundle of workload also. So that job irritated, but I forced to work there. I stick on there in a 3-4 years. I work. I have a corporate experience in a 4 years in a corporate company. It's an account company. After 3 years, I look at my back, my previous life. Why I started? Why I go there and work harder to help my father, to help my mother also, right? But they still struggling. If my father used to go early in the morning till late night, he worked. Nothing else changed. The change is only my father health goes down daily basis, and my mom hospital expenses are increasing. Why? Because she all days she removed her uterus. So to affect her, if the ladies know, uterus removed, which means one is fat, one is slim actually. My mom become fat and she can't handle the body weight. So the distance is daily, monthly is increasing actually. So she can stand even half an hour. Then you choose to push more to sit 10 minutes, then she can work. So slowly, mom affecting the health issues, and that time father used to work more because expense is growing. That time, no, expense is growing and the father's health should goes down. I'm looking into that, his life. So 3 years corporate experience, I make money, but where is the money? I don't know. It's like a cutter, like a black hole. It's coming, it's going out. Same my life, month first, I got a salary. I got a message from my phone, from my company, from my bank, into my phone, a credited excess amount. Then I got so many messages, EMI due, deducted, credit card bill due, deducted, and hospital expense, I expense, every expense, right? So 1 month, in between 15-16 days, my income equal to expense actually. This is my life. So I realizing this is not my life. I don't want this life. I need to help my father. I want to step up my life. I want to help. I want to build a better life. If my father sacrificed his life, mother sacrificed his life, I want to help them. I want to bring them into the better life. So I used to work some part-time job because everyone need money. Everyone running behind money, right? proper money, right? So I jump into some part-time job. No, I used to work in a catering service in the Sunday and Saturday and all. I used to work in a driving. I used to work in I heard about Wonderla, right? It's an amusement park. There's a night worker there. It's a pool cleaning. Every customers, every people know out the mall, the pools are dirty, which means I have to clean the pools. So it's too much dirty and too much, bacteria are there. So health become affected. But I used to work there because I like get some money from there. So stick on there. That dropped it because health issues coming. Health problem is irritating me. Then I go to the mall. I used to work there in a night theater. Then I go through the job, but the same process, same situation. Money issues, health issues, and problems still remaining. So I want to do something. What I have to do? I don't know. What? I'm a normal guy. I don't have money. I don't have support. I don't have friends. Nothing I don't know. And I don't have. What I have to do? What? Next? It's the biggest question mark ever in my life. But I realize today my father working in a shop. He at least take care of his family and me and my all together, right? Tomorrow he can't work. He can go to work. Health reflected, health damaged. He can stand like his leg. So I have to take care of my family, my father, my mother, and myself. I have to take care of. As of now, I can't take care of myself. Then how I take care of my family? That day, I think about my life. That day I took my life as a serious thing. Then I jump into some innovative things, but no support from the society, no support from the friends, nothing. But daily I have to go to a church evening. We pray in between 10-15 minutes to in a church, and daily I'm asking to God, I want to do something. I really want to help my father. I really want to help my mother, and really want to help myself. I need value in the society. I need to create a value in front of my friends and all, cousins and all, right? So finally, I got a call